you're tired of just learning songs, but you feel a little bit stuck whenever you're trying to improvise or come up with your own song ideas, I can help you master the fretboard in 14 weeks. That way you'll have a lot more confidence and creative freedom all over the neck. All you have to do is join my free school community. You can just click the link below to learn more. See you there.